Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm here to discuss how to insert reports to spreadsheet in Odoo14 project module. So there is a new option added inside Pivot View, that is we can insert our regular reports to spreadsheet. So we can find this option in all the modules that have a pivot view. So this is a very cool feature where if there is a new change, if new change is added to our reports, then we can automatically update them in a spreadsheet. So let us see how we can make use of this feature inside project module. So let's move on to project module. And here we have a reporting. So let's see the case of task analysis. Can see two views are there, that is graph view and pivot view. Let's move on to pivot view, and here we can see all the projects, all the created projects with the total count of tasks for each project. And we can change the measures from, we can add columns here. I can add the customers for each project. Then from here I can add priority. Then from here I can add some measures to those, that is those tasks in progress, then remaining hours, planned hours. So what all fields required, we can add that. Then you can also make some filtration and grouping and all. According to stage you can make filtration. And after that we can use this option, that is insert in spreadsheet. So when you click on it, you can add existing spreadsheet. You can make updation to an existing spreadsheet, or you can create a new one. So I'm creating a new spreadsheet. Okay, let's give a name for this. So you can see those datas that with priority, and you can see with fields like count of the task, then what all tasks are there in progress, then remaining hours for them. Like that we can see all the fields for each project. And here we have filtration option, like according to date we can make filtration. We can set default value, and okay, we can add deadline. You can see, so you can see according to the year we can see the change in the year. In the data you can see the change. Then like that way we have text, and the same way we have relation and all. So this way we can add filtrations to our spreadsheet, and we can change the color, make it bold. We can make some text bold and add text color, and there are a lot of options to set the alignment and size and all. So there are a lot of formatting and formatting options you can find. Suppose I'm creating a new task inside a project. and I'm assigning it to person. I'm adding it. So for office design project, I have added a new task. You can see new interior design. And if I go back to reporting, so before that, let's take that task. And let me move this to in progress state. And if I move back to task analysis, so when you come back to task analysis, here we can see our office design project, under which let's select the task title and can see the new task that is added to our project. Okay, then again we can add our measures. And we can insert it again. So we can create new or existing spreadsheet. After that, you can confirm and you can see new sheet is updated. Again, you can see new sheet inserted in project task analysis. So this is how we create reports and update in spreadsheet in Odoo14 project module. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.